Hey everybody, it's Dr. Darren Smith here to talk about fake before and after pictures. So looking through a surgeon's before and after photo album can give you some great insight into that surgeon's aesthetic and his or her skill to help you figure out if it's a good fit. Unfortunately, in today's world, there are fake before and after pictures floating around. So I just wanted to go through some of the more common methods that are used to fudge before and after photos. This video is not going to address the massive number of things that you can do with digital video editing, because you can essentially at this point take an image of anyone and make them look like anyone else with a computer. So I'm going to be focusing on studio tricks like lighting and position changes to achieve false before and after results. So just for some examples, I'm going to show you some photos of people that are totally fake before and afters, in which I've actually done no procedure whatsoever, but all I've done is manipulated either the person's position or the lighting in the room, and we can make it look like they've had something done. And the point of this is to show you how easy it is to enhance or totally fake results in certain situations. So this first example above shows someone with some hollowing under the eyes or tear trough hollowing, which is something that can be very effectively treated with filler or fat grafting. And below is the result of a completely fake treatment. All I've done here is change the lighting in the photo, and the flash just washes out the shadows in that lower photo. So it looks like we've achieved a really nice tear trough filler result without having done anything at all. This next example shows someone before and after a fake double chin liposuction. So in the first image, the image on top, the person is shown with their head tilted slightly down, which exaggerates chin fullness or submental fullness. In the lower image, we've had her tilt her head up ever so slightly, and that really diminishes that fullness a great deal. Again, she's had nothing done, but we've made her look significantly different just by changing the position of her head. So you can imagine if someone wants to make their before and after results of chin liposuction look particularly dramatic, all they have to do is have their patient look straight ahead or slightly down in the before picture, and then have them look ever so subtly up in the after picture. And it's possible to crop these photos in such a way that you can't see landmarks like the nose or the earlobe, so you can't really tell how the head is pointing. So this is something that's tricky to spot, but you should really try to keep an eye out for this. In this next example, we've faked arm liposuction. So in the top photo, we have the patient's elbow and shoulder rotated in one direction, and in the bottom photo, we've rotated it in the opposite direction, which is very difficult to tell by looking at this photo itself, but just that subtle movement distributes the fat under the arm differently, giving the appearance of arm liposuction when no procedure has actually been performed. So in this last example, we have faked a filler treatment of the nasolabial fold, and that fold runs from the nose down to the corner of the lips. And this is something you can treat very effectively with either filler or a fat graft. But here, all we've had our patient do is smile very subtly in the top picture and then put her face at rest in the lower picture. And that gives the appearance of having dramatically diminished the prominence of the nasolabial fold. So we hope that this video has given you an idea of some of the things to be on the lookout for when you're looking at before and after photos. And we hope you found this helpful. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.